faux beams. Got everything cut to size. Check this out. These aren't long enough the way they sell them. We're going to use a little bit of a round over, cut with a miter. Grab a few in there. Don't put too many nails in there. You don't want to keep patching them all up. Just like that.
Now, because how long our drawer is, I threw in a few screws just to reinforce it. Well, because kids. Enough said.
So when we install it, we do one piece at a time. We put this board, drive the nails through this tongue or groove, and then put the next one over it, securing it on the opposite side. That way you don't leave any holes on this thing. You guys like him?